G'day folks, get ready for an adventure. Today, we're embarking on a journey to uncover 15 mind-blowing facts about a land that often defies expectations. We're talking about Saudi Arabia, a country steeped in history and tradition, yet rapidly evolving before our very eyes. Prepare to have your preconceived notions shattered as we reveal aspects of this kingdom that will truly surprise you. When you think of Saudi Arabia, the images that likely spring to mind are endless. Rolling desert dunes and towering oil rigs dotting the landscape. But those iconic visuals are just scratching the surface of a nation far more complex and captivating than many realize. This kingdom is a land of wild contrasts, a place where the ancient world meets the cutting edge. It's a dynamic environment where deeply rooted ancient traditions collide head-on with a rapidly changing future, fueled by innovation and ambition. For decades, Saudi Arabia has remained somewhat mysterious, a closed kingdom shrouded in intrigue and historical narratives. But now, with ambitious visions for the future, the world is finally getting a peek inside, witnessing a transformation unlike any other. We'll journey through vast sun-drenched deserts, explore bustling modern cities, and immerse ourselves in the rich tapestry of Saudi culture. We'll be exploring the deep-rooted traditions that have shaped this nation for centuries, and uncovering the surprising modern twists and innovations that are actively shaping its tomorrow. Ready to have your mind blown? Let's dive in and discover the real Saudi Arabia. Let's dive into what makes Saudi Arabia truly unique, starting with its geography. First up, the sheer size. Saudi Arabia is a behemoth, a geographical giant that dominates the Arabian Peninsula. It sprawls across 2.15 million square kilometers, making it the largest country in the Middle East by a significant margin. Its vastness is hard to truly grasp. Imagine fitting the UK, France, Spain, Germany, and Italy inside its borders, with room to spare. It's a testament to its immense scale. This vastness means staggering distances and a patchwork of regions, climates, and histories. The sheer variety is astounding. From the Red Sea to the Persian Gulf, the landscapes are as diverse as the people. It's a land of contrasts and extremes. Building a city or railway here isn't just a project, it's taming a continent. It requires immense resources and ingenuity. Remember, everything in Saudi Arabia happens on a massive scale. Its size shapes every aspect of life, from infrastructure to culture. It's a defining characteristic. With all that land, Saudi Arabia borders 8 countries: Jordan, Iraq, Kuwait, Qatar, Bahrain, UAE, Oman, and Yemen. Each border tells a story of trade, tribes, and centuries of shifting alliances. To the west, the Red Sea connects it to Africa. To the east, the Persian Gulf links it to the world's oil trade. These borders make Saudi Arabia a strategic crossroads, not an isolated desert. Its policies and culture ripple out to its neighbors and beyond. Think of it as the central piece in a complex regional puzzle. Geography here is destiny. 90% of Saudi Arabia is desert, a vast expanse shaped by relentless sun and shifting sands. It's a landscape that dominates the country's identity, influencing its culture, economy, and way of life. This arid realm is home to the Rub al-Khali, also known as the Empty Quarter, the world's largest continuous sand sea. Imagine an ocean of sand, stretching as far as the eye can see, an awe-inspiring testament to nature's power. In this sea of sand, there are no permanent rivers to carve their way through the landscape. Water is a precious commodity, a lifeline in this harsh environment. For centuries, life has always revolved around oases and wells, the lifeblood of communities scattered across the desert. These vital water sources have shaped trade routes and determined settlements. Modern Saudi life, however, depends on massive desalination plants, technological marvels that provide a constant supply of fresh water to the population. These plants work tirelessly, turning seawater into fresh water, a crucial process that sustains life in this arid land. Summers are scorching, with the sun beating down relentlessly on the desert landscape. Temperatures soar to over 50 degrees Celsius in the interior, making it one of the hottest places on Earth. During these intense months, cities come alive after dark, when the air cools and people emerge to enjoy the night. But here's the twist. A surprising contrast to the endless desert. In the north, around Tabuk, a region known for its mountains and higher elevation, it snows in winter. Camels and snow? A truly unexpected sight. Absolutely. A surreal juxtaposition of desert animals navigating a winter wonderland. Saudi Arabia is a land of extremes, a place where the unexpected becomes reality. It's a country of scorching sand dunes and freezing snow-covered mountains, a testament to the power of nature's contrasts. It's a place that constantly defies expectations, challenging our perceptions of what a desert country can be. The environment demands respect and adaptation, shaping the lives and traditions of its people. It's a land of fire and ice, a place of stark contrast and surprising beauty. Saudi Arabia's population is about 36 million, and over a third are expatriates. More than 10 million people from India, Pakistan, Egypt, Bangladesh, and beyond call it home. They're not just visitors. They're building cities, staffing hospitals, and shaping the nation. Walk through a Saudi mall and you'll hear a symphony of languages. It's a unique blend deep-rooted tradition meets vibrant multiculturalism. Modern Saudi Arabia is a true melting pot. Arabic is the official language, the soul of the nation. But English is the unofficial second language, especially in business and daily life. In Riyadh or Jeddah, you can get by entirely in English. Young Saudis often switch between Arabic and English, reflecting a hybrid identity. This linguistic duality bridges tradition and globalization. In Saudi Arabia, language is both heritage and opportunity. Saudi Arabia is an absolute monarchy. Power flows from the king, who rules with sweeping authority. The House of Saud has led since 1932, guided by Sharia law from the Quran and Sunnah. The king appoints ministers, issues royal decrees, and is both head of state and government. Major reforms and projects often come straight from the top. This system allows for rapid, dramatic change, but remains rooted in tradition. To understand Saudi Arabia, you must understand its monarchy. Saudi Arabia is the birthplace of Islam and home to its two holiest cities, Mecca and Medina. Every year, millions of Muslims from around the world come for Hajj and Umrah pilgrimages. The Kaaba in Mecca is the spiritual center for nearly 2 billion Muslims. The logistics of hosting these pilgrims are staggering. Faith shapes every aspect of public life, from the call to prayer to the Islamic calendar. Religion here isn't just private, it's the heartbeat of the nation. Saudi Arabia is the spiritual home for a quarter of humanity. Sharia law shapes daily life, dress codes, business, and social norms. Modesty is key. Men wear thobes, women often wear abayas, though rules are relaxing. Alcohol and pork are banned. Islamic finance prohibits interest. Family, respect, and hospitality are core values. Social rules are evolving, but Sharia remains the moral compass. It's the invisible architecture of Saudi society. For decades, women couldn't drive in Saudi Arabia, a symbol of strict gender roles. That changed in 2018 when the ban was lifted by royal decree. The streets filled with women driving for the first time, an iconic moment of liberation. This wasn't just about cars, it was about independence and economic opportunity. The driving revolution opened doors for women across society. It marked a turning point in Saudi history. Saudi weddings are legendary, lavish, extravagant, and often costing millions. Celebrations for men and women are held separately, each with its own flair. The bride's party is a showcase of high fashion and glamour. Hundreds or even thousands of guests attend with feasts and entertainment. Weddings are a statement of family pride and generosity. In Saudi Arabia, marriage is a spectacular event. The driving ban's end was just the start. Saudi women are now pilots, entrepreneurs, soldiers, and more. Female participation in the workforce is rising fast, part of the Vision 2030 plan. Women are launching startups, joining new industries, and redefining fashion. The abaya has become a canvas for personal style. Empowering women is seen as key to the country's future. Challenges remain, but the momentum is unstoppable. The Saudi woman is now a force for change. How do young Saudis find love? It's a blend of tradition and technology. Arranged marriages are still common, but social media apps like Snapchat and WhatsApp are changing the game. Romance often starts with a glance, then moves to discreet online chats. If things get serious, families are brought in the traditional way. It's a unique fusion. Old world values meet digital age courtship. Love in Saudi Arabia is both subtle and modern. Forget supercars, the ultimate Saudi status symbol is the camel. Top camels can fetch up to $50 million. Camel beauty contests like the King Abdulaziz Camel Festival are serious business. Camels are judged on looks pedigree and even undergo cosmetic enhancements. The prize money is huge and competition is fierce. Camels are more than livestock, they're heritage, pride, and wealth. In Saudi Arabia, a beautiful camel is the ultimate trophy. Hospitality is sacred in Saudi Arabia, and it starts with coffee, kahwa. Served in tiny cups, kahwa is spiced and symbolic of welcome. Tea, often with mint, is for conversation and business. The rituals around these drinks are about respect and connection. Refusing coffee or tea is almost unthinkable. These simple acts carry deep meaning. It's the taste of true Arabian hospitality. Camels get VIP treatment. Just outside Riyadh is the world's largest camel hospital. This high-tech facility treats thousands of camels a year, with everything from surgery to MRIs. Owners bring prized camels from across the region for top-notch care. Some camels even travel first class on chartered flights. The investment reflects their immense value. Camels are family, not just livestock, only in Saudi Arabia. There you have it, 15 facts revealing a Saudi Arabia that's complex, dynamic, and full of surprises. From its vast deserts to its futuristic ambitions, this is a nation in transformation. Tradition and innovation walk side by side. To understand Saudi Arabia, you have to look beyond the headlines. Thanks for watching. Let us know which fact surprised you most. Subscribe for more journeys into the world's most fascinating places.